Well, hi guys, and welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here today. If you're new, you are so welcome. We're doing our first collab, and it's a group that I'm so honored to be a part of called the Daughters of Destiny, which is destined for greatness. And for our kickoff, our theme is Thankful, Grateful, Blessed 2020. Our co-hosts are Gigi from Gigi Faison for the Love of Decor, and she is one of the most gracious and kind people you'll ever want to meet. She's so talented, and I guarantee you if you visit her channel that your life will be enriched and you will get some really great ideas for decorating, tablescapes, you name it, DIY. She's awesome. Also, Shawnee from Shawnee on the Spot, a beautiful individual. She's so versatile with mixed media, DIYs, and always encouraging and very gifted. You gotta stop by her channel, stop by her spot. And then next is Debbie Bubbles, gorgeous and effervescent. And Debbie is what I call GGB, gorgeous, gifted, and blessed. She will knock your socks off with the most amazing high-end tablescapes and decor, guys. Amazing. Gotta check her out also. And last, we do have Miss K, who is creating with Miss K. She is the diva of our group, and she personifies fabulous and glam. Guys, she does all kinds of DIYs and still manages to look fabulous like she got off the runway when she does it. And it's just me, Lady Cinnamon. I have a DIY channel, of course, and I do lifestyle hacks. You name it, I do it. And guys, we are the Daughters of Destiny, and we are a like-minded group of creators who are here to encourage, uplift, positive inspiration, and inclusivity by supporting each other in their destinies while endeavoring to fulfill our own. You are so welcome. So our theme today is Thankful, Grateful, Blessed. And what we ask that you do is basically style a tablescape, coffee table, or vignette with one or all of the words thankful, grateful, blessed. And if you want, you can do a DIY, which is optional. Please tell us what makes you thankful, grateful, or blessed, and also use the hashtag thankful, grateful, blessed 2020. So guys, I chose to do a DIY, of course, and I created a vignette in my kitchen on my peninsula island. So I'll get into how I created this sign right now. So I got one of these signs from the Dollar Tree for Christmas, and I just flipped it over and painted out with the white Waverly. And once it was dry, I went ahead and printed out a font that I wanted to use. You can get free printables off of Pinterest. I always tell you guys that. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, you can use carbon paper or graphite paper. This is graphite paper. Just make sure that when you do transfer it, that you use it with the shiny side down and the matte side up. And I'm just going to position this onto my painted board, and I'm going to hold it in place by using tape. Now, I have embossing tools I'm going to use, and I'm just going to trace it over, guys. And guys, this is so easy. If you're interested in creating a DIY like this, I can leave these items in the description bar below for links. And as you can see, it really traces well and comes out great. Now, what I'm going to do is just paint it in. Now, you can either use a small paintbrush, you can use a paint pen, but I did choose to use a Sharpie because my hands were a little shaky this day. And actually, Sharpies work just fine as long as it has a nice sharp point. And now I'm going to go ahead and age it and distress it out a little bit because I really want this to last and look more aesthetically pleasing for my decor to match what I have in my home. After I used some of that dark wax from Annie Sloan, I went back over it with the dry brush with the same white paint just to really give it the look I want and the aesthetic I'm going for. And then I added a strip of burlap, and I'm just going to hot glue that down to the bottom for trim. And I took the same ribbon and just made a little bow with it and just hot glued it. Now, what I want to do is I want to give it a look that can basically go from season to season, not have a holiday or season attached, so I can use this any time of the year. So I just added a little bit of greenery, and I'm going to put some cotton and more greenery in the middle of the bow because, guys, this resonates with me so much. Thankful, grateful, blessed. So I really wanted it to be something that I can use in any room in my home year after year. Now, to just give it a more finished look, I added some of that craft paper on the back to make it look neat. And I'm going to go ahead and start doing my vignette. I'm basically wiping down this tray that I got from West Elm. It's gold foiled with a lacquer covering, and then I added this anthropology vase with some pampas grass, and I put the sign there with a candle from Anthropology also. And the last thing I'm going to do is add these marble coasters with gold trim, and I'm done. I didn't want to have it too overdone or too understated. I just wanted it to just give it what it need with that pop. And I love the way it turned out. So guys, for Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, of course I'm thankful and so honored by what God does for me in my life every day, and my family, my friends, my YouTube family, my Daughters of Destiny sisters. I'm so happy about that. And I'm blessed because I have a roof over my head. I have a job. I have use of my body, and I'm clothed in my right mind. I'm just so blessed about that. But grateful is the main thing. I have so much gratitude. Gratitude, basically thankful is a feeling, but gratitude is an action, and I try to be basically a blessing to someone each and every day of my life that I live, even if it's a smile or giving them a call or a text, just letting them know that I love them and that their life means something. So basically with gratitude is something that I practice all the time, and it's something that I'm mindful of. It's a mindset, and it allows you to be content in whatever your circumstances are, and gratitude means that whatever you have is enough, and that's really important to me, and I try to live by this every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to check out all of the co-host channels. Let them know you came by, and anybody that participated, thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to stop by all of their channels. And also give them a look at the playlist. We'll have all of them on the playlist, and just give them a shout out and give them a comment and let them know you stopped by. And guys, thank you so much for allowing us to do this for you and have the open invite. I hope to see you all guys, or everybody, in the next collab that we do. We're going to be doing plenty more. We'll see you next month. Guys, it's been a pleasure and an honor. I hope you guys really like this, and I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and the like for a thumbs up, and have a really great day. Love you guys.